G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to look at this mini chainsaw attachment that you can buy from Temu. It was rather inexpensive. I think it cost me around $15 Australian, and just came in a plain box here, unbranded. There's many vendors that actually sell this particular little mini chainsaw that runs off your cordless drill on Temu. As you can see, we get all the attachments. We've got the main blade assembly, put the chain on. We've got a couple of washers and screws there, a couple of handy tools there to put it together, a protective guard, your handle. Also have a chain guard cover there, the chain itself. Okay, there's the actual size of the chain, and the main assembly to drive this little mini chainsaw. Plus we have a bit of paperwork just there, okay, just to put it together. So anyway guys, I thought I'll snap one of these up. The reviews were rather good on Temu. They're all pretty much positive reviews. So I'm going to put it together and we'll see how it works. See if it's actually, you know, decent value for money. Okay guys, so instead of using actual oil, because I noticed my oil cans are a bit empty, I end up finding this on the shelf, some chain lube I use for my mountain bike. So okay, same thing, you can use it for any chains. So yeah, you definitely want to lubricate these before you actually, you know, you don't want to run them dry. All right, so let's give it a go on this bit of timber here. Nice clean cut, not too bad at all. Let's give it another go. Yeah, so it does work. I mean, it's quicker than using a handsaw, especially for small jobs around the house. So yeah, for, you know, around $10, $15 Australian, hook it up to your cordless drill, and it works quite well. As you can see, you can put on a different angle, you can swivel the head. So yeah, overall, I'd say it's not too bad at all, guys. A little mini chainsaw for little jobs around the house. So yeah, this would be good for use in the garden. You know, you can't do heavy duty work, of course. You know, you get a real chainsaw for that. But yeah, for small branches that might need trimming. So yeah, I'll be definitely using it to trim away some of my trees in the garden. So yeah, there you have it, guys. That is the little mini chainsaw that goes pretty cheap on Temu. I'll leave a link where I got this one from, and you can check it out for yourself in the link below. I can see why it got some pretty decent reviews, because the price is very low and it actually does work. It actually works quite well. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video review on the little mini chainsaw attachment for your cordless drill. And thanks very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and there'll be more reviews and gaming videos on this channel coming up soon. So thanks very much. I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.